Then we returned it and got another bucket to wrap it in the box.
Hey friends, welcome back to Oso Farm. We are cooking some dinner here tonight. I made my dad, we call him Pawpaw stew, and I've made this before in a video, so I didn't film doing that, but I will type out the recipe below, but it's truly just like a beef stew, super yummy. On a side note, I bought these, this came in a I guess a 4-piece set on Amazon. These Martha Stewart, beautiful. So if you're in the market for some new pots, I like it so far. I've only used it once. So I bought this cornmeal, organic cornmeal at Azure Standard, and it says that it's just organic yellow corn. In parentheses, it says it may contain wheat. If you're new here, I have celiac disease. I don't only use certified gluten-free. This is probably just because it's manufactured in a facility that also has wheat. So what I've done here is 2 cups of cornmeal, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then it said to mix that together. And then you're supposed to mix the wet ingredients together. So it's 4 tablespoons of butter. This is our homemade yogurt. It calls for 1.5 cups of yogurt. Spatula. Oh, have one. So if you're new here, we have a large family. We have 10 children, ages 21 to 7. I usually say 6, but little Ed and Ray just had a birthday. We have 5 children still at home, so we still have 7 of us that eat every meal here, and then my mom lives just down the way, just down the road, so she also eats with us. Can you get me out of Ed? I'm asking my cameraman for assistance here.
My pleasure.
And then it said 4 tablespoons of honey. I'm just gonna eyeball it. 1, this is hard to squeeze. 2, 3, goodness, 4. Okay, this is our cute little duck egg blue colored egg from our hens. So I think that's it. In another bowl, combine wet ingredients. 1.5 cups yogurt. Did I do 1.5 cups or just 1 cup of yogurt? I can't remember
because
I
I
was
was supposed to pay
talking
attention
to
while I
y'all.
film, or?
Yes.
Oh.
What do you think?
I mean, I don't think you can have too much yogurt.
I think I only did 1. If I didn't,
think you only did 1 too.
it's about to get interesting. Here, we'll just add a little bit more.
That'll work.
It'll just make it moist. Okay, then it says to just make a little well in here and carefully spoon in the wet ingredients just until combined, and then we're going to cook this for 20 minutes at 400, and then we'll serve this with our stew. We're pretending that it's fall weather here. We're in like another heat wave, huh?
It's 100 degrees outside again.
This looks like a lot of wet ingredients.
So what is this we're making?
Cornbread.
Oh yeah.
It's just, look at how like thick and gritty I don't know if gritty's the right word. I don't know, what do you think? It's kind of weird to me. I'm used to the Jiffy box where it's 1/3 cup of milk and 1 egg. So this is probably a lot better. I'm sure it's better for you. What do you think?
Trust the process.
Okay. Have enough counters for my life. All right, in it goes. It's really like airy, fluffy. Not at all the consistency that I'm used to. I don't even know what size. It didn't really say a size. I don't know if this is gonna rise up. This looks like it'll be about right. Preheated oven. Timer 20. I just took this out of the oven and I melted 4 tablespoons of butter and some honey and just kind of spread this on the top, and we put the soup in the bowls. I've got one girl that doesn't like potatoes, and then we're gonna cut this and serve it up. Let's see what the inside looks like.
It looks really good.
I think Evan just told you bye.
No, he just said I'm.
You saying sorry?
All right. Hey, give me sugar. Not the camera. Love you.
So, sweet Evan just went to timeout because he has a little phone that he uses for music and YouTube Kids, and he got mad and he threw it. So Brian put him in timeout in his room, and that was not a blessing to him. Bless his heart. Okay, let's use wax paper for the cornbread. So Brian and I went away this past weekend. We went to San Antonio, which is a little over 3 hours from here. Ooh, by myself. Look how good that looks. It was the first time that we had left the kids overnight in 12 years. So it was definitely time, and we really enjoyed it. So we stayed at a beautiful resort that had a lazy river and good food, and we went to the Alamo and went to the movies. We saw Where the Crawdads Sing. We both read that book. I think it's one of those things where the book is always better than the movie, but it was a good book. Like, if you'd never read, a good movie. If you'd never read the book, it was a good movie. We just rested and ate too much Mexican food, and it was so nice. So we're still trying to recover from when you come back from vacation. It's hard to jump back in. So today's Tuesday, so we're 2 days into real life. Okay, let's eat. This is one. See, look at how the base is like coming out of the ground. It's so. There's growing. Here's one. You see it? These marigolds look really good. This tomatillo has not taken off yet. I'm not losing hope because the other one just started to make the little fruits. I'm gonna come out here when these are all.
A lot of jalapenos.
Yeah. When these are all dried out and seed save for next time. Oh, he's got a lot of little jalapenos on there. We'll have to make something with it. When we were on our trip, we stopped at Target to get some snacks, and we got these caramel, like peanut cluster things. I was just eating one. It's so good. Okay, so big day. There's a lot of feathers. There's a lot of feathers. Were there these feathers out here before?
Yeah.
Where is he? Brian, don't you leave me over here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's our big old turkeys.
Man, their feet are huge. They are ready.
We're gonna harvest the 2 turkeys in the next couple weeks, right?
That doesn't look good. She's just dirty. Hey, turkey.
She's a sweetie though. Why does she get so much dirtier? Does she just lay in the mud?
I guess. I don't know.
She okay?
Yeah. Now she looks giant. You want some loving too, huh?
Aw, she's still pretty, even though she's muddy. So we've got all our chickens down here. It's kind of free ranging. That is our rooster. He is not our friend. We've had a couple of neighbors post about rattlesnakes, so this kind of taller grass makes me a little nervous. We've both got our boots on. I've got my chicken boots on. So what happened today with our goats?
We sold Bowser. Bowser was
Our very first livestock.
He had just gotten to be too ornery.
Hey girls! So who we have left? Oh, Felicity or Phoenix looks very pregnant. So this is Phoenix. And she's got babies in there. Hey darling. She is so sweet. Hey! So Bowser didn't really allow us to come out here and love on the girls because he had gotten really protective and aggressive. And when we would put him in that little enclosure back there, he just really made life hard. He actually flipped one of my daughters like upside down, like got underneath her, and it was just not kind of safe to keep him anymore. So a guy came and bought him today and handled him really well, and has, I think, 6 female goats for him, so he's gonna love that. But look, she is so friendly, just loves attention, sweet sister. Felicity, or Phoenix, I get y'all mixed up, just like with the kids. This is Peach. This is their mama. She looks like she is pregnant again. She's skittish. But this is Felicity. Ooh, does she look swollen?
Swollen? Pregnant?
No milk or anything? Oh, I kind of miss Bowser.
You do.
Just kind of seeing him out here. Did you move his house out here? You girls can both fit in there? Hey, Felicity. Oh my gosh, she's probably got 2 in there, huh?
No, I mean, I think that's just their gut. I don't feel anything.
You don't think she's pregnant?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel anything in there.
You jealous?
I I don't know what I'm
Hey,
supposed to feel
darling.
anyway.
Aren't they so sweet? They're like little dogs. I see you, Pedro. You are not my friend. Let's see your little face. Let's see that little face. Oh, what a sweet girl. What a sweet girl. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl, Phoenix. Yes, you are. What are you trying to do, honey?
It doesn't move like that. Stay together. There we go. That's better. That's more secure. Now this is how we just have a, see how he busted this one?
Can we still use it?
Yeah, I just need to get that welded back.
It's actually not bad. The weather feels really nice out here. So ready for fall weather. So we're gonna go in and get Evan medicated up for bed. He takes lots of prescriptions to sleep and still doesn't sleep. Last night he got up at 3:30 for the night, for the morning. And we tried for like an hour, struggled. So we finally gave him his music so we could lay there. And I ended up getting up, I think at like 4:45 and made a pot of coffee. And then of course Evan fell asleep a little before 7 and slept till 7:45. So he's tired. I'm exhausted because I've been up since 3:30. So I'm definitely ready to end this day, get some rest. We have our Bible study at church tomorrow. And I have a lot of homework to do too. So we need to get him to bed so we can work on that a little bit. Must sneeze. Okay, we're gonna make a run for it with the rooster.
Come on, Roosty.
Hey. Oh, no. Let me get out of here first. You want to go in, Paula? This is his territory. So aren't y'all excited about my tomatillos? I know if you've watched my vlogs for a while, you know that I had multiple plants. They were in different beds. I had multiple plants in each bed and lost a few. So they actually are producing. I'm so excited. So thanks for all the encouragement in the comments on that. But like I said earlier, I'm exhausted. So we are gonna go inside, get Evan ready to bed, and get some rest. So, ooh, it's bright and sunny. Hey, Evan, can you say bye? Can you say bye with your words? Bye, bye. Say thanks for watching. See you next time. Big smile.